Greetings everybody, welcome to Paramita TED Club. I think you have heard this before. It is said that good health is the real wealth. Without good health, we can do nothing with the ocean of wealth. The thing which I am going to tell you all today is very apt for the current situation, mental and physical illness and how to deal with it. During this pandemic situation, many people are dealing with lots of negativity around themselves. Not only because of the things happening around us, the people around us also affect our thoughts and actions. So it is very important for every person to choose a positive environment with positive people. Apart from all of this, it is also important for everyone to analyze their own strengths and weaknesses. So now let's start with mental health. So let's start with the trending topic, technology. As we all know, nowadays technology has become as significant as food we eat. Therefore, students are using the same technology to listen online classes. On average, every one of us listen to online classes and have a screen time of 4 to 5 hours. Let me tell you a small story. This is a story which happened 2 weeks ago. There was a guy in Hyderabad. He was studying in 10th standard and he was a very brilliant student. Due to this pandemic situation, he was also listening to online classes. One day, as he was in 10th standard, he had to hear 7 to 8 classes per day. On average, he had to work on the screen for 7 to 8 hours. That is not normal. So, slowly, the parents observed a downfall in his academics. They thought he was not concentrating on studies and told him to concentrate more. But they don't know what actually was happening. But he could not do that. After few days, one day, when his father was leaving to office, the boy suddenly fell down. The parents were clueless. They don't know what was happening. They were tensed. And they thought he was just fainted due to some vitamin deficiency. But they took him to hospital. On their way, the child was no more. The parents were shocked. They took him to the hospital and they asked doctor what happened. The doctor said his brain was stopped. Due to the screen time that he has every day, his brain was totally stopped. So friends, hope you understood how dangerous it is. One quick question for all of you. How many of you are not only using the mobile or laptop for online classes but also for playing games and social media? Even me, of course. But it is not at all right, friends. So take care about it. So this is called as mental stress. Not only this, mental disorders also include depression, anxiety or other bipolar disorders. Why are all these caused? What do you think? These are mainly caused because of loneliness, no one to share our feelings and thoughts, and stress. It may come from the work we do or from the people we live with. So it is very important for each and everyone to take care of their mental health. Let me share you few tips. How can you balance your mental health? Let's start. Number 1, go to a place where you can find peace. Even in your home, go to a place where there is no one, no thoughts running in your mind, and just relax. Number 2, we often do this. Listen to music. Trust me, it helps. Number 3, do something which you are really passionate about. Anything which makes you happy. Your happiness is your Vajrayudha to crush your stress. Number 4, go to World Heritage Centers which amuse your mind. A change of place is must needed. Number 5, nature is a natural doctor. When you are really stressed, go and see greenery. It helps your mind to relax. Number 6, talk to someone who you really love or whom you can share all your feelings, thoughts and your plans. So these are simple and easy tips to balance our mental health. Now let's talk about physical health. We all know one or the other nowadays, everyone is dealing with a lot of physical disorders. They may include physical pains, muscle pains or migraine, anything like this. The best therapy for all of these is good food and good physical exercise. I know most of us don't do this, but it is very important, friends. I think you have heard this quotation in the Zomato ad we get. Good food makes everything better. I don't know if it makes everything better, but it definitely makes our health much, much, much better. Good physical exercise is also important because it makes our muscles and bones much strengthy. So friends, I want you all to remember one thing. Spending 10 minutes in your balcony filled with fresh air and pods is better than spending 1 hour on your mobile phone. I repeat it, spending 10 minutes in your balcony filled with fresh air and green pods is better than spending 1 hour on your mobile phone. So guys, take care of both your mental and physical health. So I'm going to ask you one thing. How can you balance both in your life? You need a solution to balance both of them. So the best solution to balance both of them to lead a happy life is traveling. Yes, you heard it right. It's traveling. Let me tell you how. Number 1, when you're at home, you depend on your mother, you depend on your father, your siblings or your grandparents. But when you go out, you start taking responsibility and you start taking care of yourself, which is very important for each and every one of us. Number 2, it is scientifically proved that traveling detoxifies all our negativities and keeps our mind fresh. Number 3, when you go out for traveling, when you go out for new place, you face extreme challenges which you are not aware of. It builds up the confidence in us and helps to face unexpected challenges in our future. So it is very important to travel to different places and explore something new. So I want to say you a very important thing. A low-spirited soul and a weak physique can never lead a happy life. A low-spirited soul and a weak physique can never lead a happy life. So guys, be safe and thank you.